Hi, everybody. Welcome to a very, very special episode of Window Shopping, where we are not window shopping at all. We are actually on location here at 25131 Steinway Circle in Lake Forest. And Lake Forest might seem like an unlikely location for one of our videos. When you think of architectural homes in Southern California, Lake Forest is not one of the cities that typically comes up. But that would actually be a mistake, as Lake Forest has some very progressively designed late 60s and early 70s, late mid-century modern and contemporary homes that were built. And this one has a very special Scandinavian renovation. It's truly something special. It's in the trees, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's head inside. And here we are. This home is 2,550 square feet, and it is on a nearly 10,000 square foot lot. And these owners have made a lot of really cool changes to this home. Obviously, you see the white walls, the white tongue and groove, open beam ceilings. But the biggest change of all is the wall right behind me. This wall carries the entire second story of the house, and it was fully engineered with about $25,000 worth of work, including Simpson strong walls for shear strength, glue laminated beams, enhanced footings. Really, it makes the difference in this house. I want to come over to this dining area where we have a dramatic wall of windows heading up. We've also got kind of a formal living room space here off to my right that has been kind of given, again, that sort of Scandinavian, almost Asian minimalist treatment. And, you know, a lot of these houses can come across feeling cold, but this one, it's quite the opposite. You have this zen, calm warmth in this house. It's just a comfortable place to be. It's a place you want to spend time. I'd like to roll over to the kitchen. This is probably the biggest reason to take out this wall. Traditionally, in this floor plan, there's not a lot of connection between the living spaces. So despite having these soaring ceilings, you don't really have a lot of connection between the family room, the dining room, and the kitchen. But not in this one. Fully remodeled with simple and elegant white quartz countertops. And again, we've got this beautiful European oak floor throughout the whole house. This wall of windows that you see here, completely stock. This is the way this home is built, with these windows, and it's absolutely breathtaking. I'm going to let Cassandra actually spin around a little bit here to show another feature that I think makes this home special, and that's this staircase and cable system. I don't know if this is going to show up in the video, but there's actually a small reveal here that just gives one of those added little custom home bespoke details that really makes the difference. You know, this home is about 2,550 square feet, but the reality is it feels much bigger than that. This home lives like a 3,000 plus square foot house. Let me show you some of the other cool features. Another change that the sellers made was to convert what was an awkward late 60s key party wet bar and turn it into something functional, a real laundry room. This home also has something else that's really a benefit. That is a full bedroom and bath downstairs. As you can see, it's a pretty good sized bedroom. We have a full bath right next door, and I don't want to scoop myself, but the backyard in this home is absolutely spectacular and one of a kind. I'm going to take you to another unique feature of this home. About 5 years ago, these sellers decided to do something interesting. They own a company and they wanted to create a real workspace at home. Of course, this wasn't very popular to do, but a little something happened in 2020 that really shows off the utility of this space. You have quartz countertops. These cabinets match the kitchen. We have full lighting, and even most importantly, this is conditioned space, meaning it is heated and cooled with the rest of the house. So this doesn't feel like a damp, dank, dark garage. Quite the opposite. We have plenty of natural light. There's a full height door behind you there. And also the garage door remains. Once you remove this conference table and these items, you can use this to park cars. So even if you don't want to use this as an at-home workspace, you can still use it as a garage without having to remove or really change anything. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. By the way, something else I want to talk about just briefly is when you have a lot of trees in a backyard like this, if you look here, you can see the way the patio cover and the trees create these beautiful, beautiful shadows on the ground. These are those little things, those intangible things that it's hard to quantify, but they're so important when you're looking for an architectural or special home. This is what it's about, is moments like these. Let's head upstairs. I'm going to actually have Cassandra spin around here because I think this is one of the coolest views of this house is from this upstairs landing looking down in the living room and dining room area. Let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. It's gigantic. We have a king-size bed, we have a seating area, there's really plenty of space, vaulted ceilings, and even a private patio. We also have a full ensuite over to my right. This home is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. So we have our bedroom downstairs, our primary bedroom, but there are still 3 more bedrooms up here. And again, I don't want to scoop myself, but if you take a look out this window, you see another special feature that we're going to talk about in this house right out there, the tree house. Let's take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. We have another bedroom in here, super awesome. Again, a great view of the trees. I want to tell you and talk about what you don't see in this view. What you don't see out this window is you don't see any other houses. They are simply largely outside the field of view, and that's something truly special in Southern California. Finally, I want to show you the library. I think every home needs a space like this. You have greenery out the windows, you have a wall of books. You know, when you have a 5-bedroom home, I think there's this tendency for the bedrooms to all to look the same, and there's not anything special about them. And that's why when you have a home like this, you need spaces like this, spaces that feel like their own individual identity. It's very important. Finally, before we go, I want to show you the backyard because it is also something else that is truly special. And really, this is it. This is that something special that you cannot get in any other house. This is the something that you cannot use, that you can't remodel your way to in another home. This lot is almost 10,000 square feet. It has mature trees. In fact, for a lot of people, this reminds them of more of an East Coast backyard. There's a lot more greenery, a lot more privacy, and honestly, a lot more space. We also have the treehouse. Now, I know you would love a tour of the treehouse, and it does come with the house, but unfortunately, there is no graceful way for me to get up there on video. But stay tuned. We might do another little fun short video just for that. Anyhow, I want to thank everybody for watching. This is our listing here at Domicile Real Estate. It is listed at $1.4 million. Again, it is 25131 Steinway Circle in Lake Forest. We are having a sneak peek today, Thursday, May 19th, 4 to 6 p.m. By the time you're watching this, you will have missed this, but we will be open Saturday and Sunday this weekend. That is May 21st and 22nd, 1 to 4 p.m. both days. We really hope to see you there. If you have any questions about this house, definitely reach out to us. But even if you just want to come and take a look because this house is that cool, it's worth the trip. We'd love to see you. We'll see you again real soon.